good, baby, all the things I need. My baby, bust up the silence, bust up the silence.
Okay guys, to realize a cute background, the first thing we will need is Fonto. Once you get to the Fonto app, you choose plain image. And you choose a plain image of your choice, white, black, whatsoever. And then now you customize the size. While customizing the size, you choose 2560 is to 1440. Once you have that, you press done, and later on you use the image, and now you save the image. Once you've saved the image, you start afresh. You choose again plain image. You choose the plain image of your choice. You resize the picture, but this time around you're resizing it to 2560 is to 423, and again you press done, you press use, and you press save. Once you've saved, you get to another app of your choice. I personally prefer PixArt. It has a lot of nice backgrounds, and here I just typed cute backgrounds. I searched through till I found what I needed. Here you could choose whatever app you want, whatever app that has the image you want. So I chose this blue image. I think it matches with my dress and everything. Once you've chosen that, you get to the last image we just saved. You add this picture we just downloaded into it, and you size it up. You could size it up to fill the whole image. Like it will take the size we just modified. Now you press save image. Once you have saved, you choose the first image we created on Fonto. Once you've chosen that, you get to add image, and you're adding the image we just created. The last image we added, the picture we downloaded on. So you size it up. Please, here you make sure you're sizing it up to fill just the middle, like sorry, let it be in the middle of the application. Then you save the image. We are saving so that once we are working on it, it shouldn't shake, it shouldn't be shaky. Once you've saved, you start afresh. You go to images. You choose the image we just saved on Fonto. Yes. So once you've chosen, you could change the image as you want. And now we are adding up what we love. Personally, I prefer adding up every image I want to use for my work, for my banner, whatsoever. So I had these pictures downloaded earlier today. I had the butterflies, the subscribe, and my images, of course. I went for these butterflies because of a friend who loves pink, like her life is pink. And also to break down the blue, I have the blue background, I have my blue pictures, so I think it's good enough to have something to break the color. So now I'm adding the name of my channel, which is my name, Miss Paula Martins. You could choose style, you choose style. Style permits you to put the image the way you want, like to have the color you want, to have the font you want, to have whatsoever thing you want, the background, whatsoever thing. You press size, you play around with it and see what you want, what matches your background. I really had difficulties choosing these, so I don't know what I was doing here, but I was looking for a color which will suit what I want. So I had these. I think that was great. Yes, we put it here. So generally it's really cool when you put it twice. So I had my name again, but now with a different size, a different font, and a different color. So I was just trying to look for what will fit, what would be nice. I think this is pretty cool. So, but I think the black, we'll have to change it to something else. So now we add the images I had already. We have my pretty picture. Okay, so now we are just playing around with it to see what matches. And please, I have to tell you here, when you're doing this, you really need to try to centralize everything to make it in the middle, given that it has to fit on a computer at the same time fit your phone. So I think that it's better to have everything you want in the middle. Then now you could just add some little details at the side so that the sides shouldn't just be empty. Here I just wanted this butterfly on the A so that it kind of looks as if the butterfly is stepping on the A. Sorry, my voice is kind of crumpy. So now I added what my channel is all about: vlogs, entertainment, self-development, and lifestyle. So entertainment, sorry, what did I say? Self-development. But should I first of all wanted to add self-development, but it would have made it too long. So we just have it here, we style it up so that it will fit my banner. So we style, see what will match. I think this is fine. This is pretty cool. Like, it's really nice. Vlogs, entertainment, lifestyle. Yuppie! We are almost there. So we could add the subscribe button. Then now we add the butterfly. I think I was supposed to have a blue butterfly somewhere. So let's get to add image. Yes, this is the butterfly I was looking for. We size it up. We add it on the subscribe button. I think I'll add another pink butterfly. The right side is pretty much empty. Or let's just leave it that way. What do you think? I think it's fine. Let's just save the image. Save successfully. We get now to images to see the image we want. The image we just downloaded. I think this is it. I think it's pretty cool. What do you think about it? Miss Paula Martins, vlogs, entertainment, lifestyle. Subscribe. Don't forget. Love you.